By the end of the video, we'll know about absolutely. HIIT Workout High Intensity Interval Training can be a great way to kickstart your fitness journey. Here's a simple routine tailored for beginners. Warm up. Start with a 5-minute brisk walk or light jog to get your muscles warmed up. Follow up with dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, torso twists, etc. to increase blood flow and flexibility. Workout. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a 30-second rest. Repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times, depending on your fitness level. 1. Jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump, spreading your legs wider than hip width apart, while bringing your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Repeat. 2. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees, keeping your back straight. Imagine sitting back into a chair. Return to the starting position and repeat. 3. Push-ups, modified if needed. Start in a plank position with hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position. If needed, perform on your knees. 4. High knees. Stand in place and lift your knees as high as possible, alternating legs quickly. 5. Plank. Get into a plank position with your forearms on the ground, elbows directly beneath your shoulders and feet hip width apart. Hold this position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 6. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Quickly drive one knee towards your chest, then switch legs, as if you're running in place in a plank position. Cool down. After completing the circuit, take a few minutes to cool down. Walk or jog lightly for 5 minutes to lower your heart rate. Stretch major muscle groups like hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, chest, back, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds without bouncing. Remember to listen to your body, modify exercises as needed, and stay hydrated throughout your workout. Consistency is key, so aim to do this routine 3 to 4 times per week for optimal results. Enjoy your workout.